I never did honors classes or anything when I was in high school. I mean, I was a good student, but I wasn't a great student, and that doesn't mean that you can't be a great student. You know, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. Like, it is challenging, but you have small class sizes here. You know, if anywhere you were gonna do an honors program, I feel like Keene is the place to do it because it's so personal. I came into college not knowing what I wanted to do, and then after realizing that I really wanted to work with people, and I was really interested in why people act the way they do in relation to one another and not just like in the mind, because it was between psychology and sociology. I think the best thing I've done in sociology, and I guess with the honors program too, was the Academic Excellence Conference last year. And I used my research, well, I did research from studying abroad and then research on sociological theorists about why language is so important and how it is to be multilingual and how important that is and how your personality can kind of change if you don't know the language and how that affects you and your surroundings. I absolutely think doing the extra work for the honors program made me more prepared because it just teaches you how to challenge yourself and just do that on your own. Like, nobody forced me to take the classes, you know, nobody forced me to do all the work that I did, and you know, you have like motivation from the professors and, you know, the motivation of being in the program, but I think it just, you give yourself those challenges and it's kind of character building. Like, that's something that you choose to do and you choose to show up to that class, every class, instead of skipping here and there or whatever, you know, you consciously make the choice. And I think that's something like when you go out and apply for jobs, and like I'm going to be doing soon, it's something that people want to see and that you are a hard worker and you're willing to stay motivated and do that and push yourself. And yeah, I think doing that extra work was the best thing that I could have done in college. Like, I definitely feel like that made my college experience what it was. So I did an internship this past semester at Planned Parenthood of Northern New England in Concord. I was a reproductive justice intern, and that was my sociology practicum, like the sociology internship class that I took. And it was really interesting. Every week we would meet on Friday morning for the class, and we would go over everything that was happening in our internships. And it was more political than I thought it was going to be, but it was really interesting seeing how I noticed sociological things in the internship, like why they have to work so hard at marketing certain terms to certain people and how that works and how people interact, like, and what communities they reach out to, and the low income versus not low income, and where they are and what people they serve.